Welcome to the channel Engineering Physics. Now in this channel we have to study, in this video we have to study the cubic crystal structure. Cubic crystal structure. A crystal lattice with a cubic unit cell is known as cubic structure. Three kinds of cubic structures are simple cubic, primitive or SC structure, body centered cubic BCC structure, face centered cubic, that is FCC structure. Characteristics of cubic crystal structure. First, number of atoms per unit cell. Second one, coordination number. Third one, atomic radius. And fourth, atomic packing fraction. These four characteristics we have to study. First, we go through the simple cubic crystal system. First property is simple cubic lattice. A simple cubic cell is a primitive cell with lattice points located at the 8 corners of the cube. In the unit cell shown on the left, the atoms at the corners are cut because only a portion, in this case 1/8 portion, belongs to the cell and the rest of the atom belongs to the neighboring cells. Figure shows the arrangement of lattice points in a simple cubic cell. In metallic crystals, each lattice site is occupied by only one atom. Example is polonium. First characteristics, number of atoms per unit cell. The number of atoms contained in one simple cubic unit cell of monoatomic substance is 1. 8 atoms are present at the 8 corners of the simple cubic unit cell. Here, these 8 atoms are present at the 8 corners, and contribution to each unit cell, it is 1/8. Hence 8 into 1/8, that is equal to 1. And here in the figure, close packed direction contains here 8 into 1/8, that is equal to 1 atoms per unit cell. Hence number of atoms per unit cell in simple cubic crystal structure is 1. Coordination number. In a simple cubic lattice, the coordination number is 6 and it contains 1 atom per unit cell. A particular lattice point coordinates with 4 lattice points in a plane. One above the plane, one below the plane, that is coordinates total 6 lattice points. Here it is shown. In the plane 4 lattice points or 4 atoms are there. Above the plane is 1 and below the plane is there. Therefore, the coordination number of a simple cubic lattice is 6. Third parameter, atomic radius. The atomic radius R is defined as half the distance between nearest neighbors in a crystal of pure element. There are 8 atoms per unit cells situated at 8 corners. If A is the side of the unit cell, this A is the side of the unit cell and R is the radius of the atom. This distance is R and this is R, that is 2R equal to A. Therefore, R equal to A/2, that is the radius of the cubic cell, and here A equal to 2R, that is called lattice constant. Third parameter, atomic packing fraction or packing density. For the simple cubic, atomic packing fraction equal to volume of the atoms in the unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. Number of atoms per unit cell. In simple cubic, number of atoms per unit cell is 1. Therefore, volume of the atom in unit cell 1 into 4/3 pi r cube. Side of the unit cell is A and volume of the unit cell is A cube, that is equal to 2R cube. Substituting these values in above equation, here 1 into 4/3 pi r cube goes to numerator, 2R cube it goes to the denominator. Here A cube. Substituting R equal to A/2. Here we have to substitute r equal to a by 2. 4 pi. Here r equal to a by 2 cube. This 3 goes to the denominator, 3a cube, and this becomes equal to pi by 6. Atomic packing fraction equal to 0.5236. This the 52% of volume of the simple cubic unit cell is occupied by atoms, and remaining 48% volume of the unit cell is vacant, or it is called void space. This is the structure of simple cubic. Here 8 atoms are at the 8 corners. Here contribution, it is shown 1 by 8 contribution. Number of atoms per unit cell is 1. Atomic radius a by 2. Coordination number is 6. Atomic packing fraction equal to 0.52. Second type of the crystal system, body centered cubic cell or lattice. Here in body centered cubic lattice, it is a non-primitive cell having an atom within the cell in addition to the 8 corner atoms. 8 corner atoms are there and one atom it is at the center. Figure shows the arrangement of the lattice points. Every BCC lattice point has 8 nearest neighbors. So each atom is in contact with its neighbors only along the body diagonal. Here this is the central atom and here 8 corner atoms are there, and each atom it is in contact with this body diagonal. Many metals including the alkalis and several transition elements have the BCC structure. These are the examples of the BCC structure. First characteristics, number of atoms per unit cell. The number of atoms contained in one body centered unit cell of monoatomic substance is 2. How it is? According to SC, simple cubic, the contribution of the corner atom 8 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 1, and one atom it is at the center. Therefore this 1 plus 1 into 1, that is 1, and this 1 and this 1, that becomes 2. Therefore total number of atoms in one BCC unit cell equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Coordination number. In BCC, each corner atom is in contact with a body center atom. As there are 8 unit cells around each corner, the atom located at each corner would be simultaneously touching the 8 body center atoms around it. Here, this body centered atom, it is in touching with the 8 corner atoms. Here it is shown. This is center atom and 8 atoms are at the 8 corners. Therefore, it is in contact with the 8 corner atoms. The same in the case of body centered atom as shown in figure. It is in contact with all the 8 corner atoms. Therefore, the coordination number for BCC is 8. Third parameter, atomic radius. The atomic radius r is defined as half the distance between nearest neighbors in a crystal of pure element. In the unit cell of BCC lattice, there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners, each forming a member of 8 cells, and 1 atom per cell at the body center. There are 2 atomic radii from the center atom and 1 atomic radius from each of the corner atom. Here this is 2r and this is r and this is r. Therefore total distance or total radius becomes 4r. Here making its length equal to 4r. From the figure, PV square here this PV square is equal to what? PS square plus SV square. Here PS square plus again this SV square is equal to what? This SR square plus RV square, means PV square, that is 2R, R and R, 4R square is equal to what? A square. This A square plus A square plus A square, that is equal to 3A square. 16R square is equal to 3A square, hence R is equal to root 3A by 4. That is the atomic radius of the BCC lattice. Atomic packing fraction or packing density. For body centered cubic, atomic packing fraction equal to volume of atoms in unit cell divided by volume of a unit cell. Number of atoms per unit cell equal to 2. Volume of one atom in unit cell equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Side of the unit cell is A and volume of the unit cell A cube, that is equal to 2 r cube. Substituting these values, this in the numerator and this is in the denominator, that is atomic packing fraction, we will get that is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A cube. Substituting r is equal to root 3 A by 4. 2 into 4 by 3 pi r equal to what? Root 3 A by 4. That is cube, pi r cube divided by A cube, and that will get pi root 3 by 8. It is equal to 0.62. Atomic packing fraction for body centered cubic structure is 0.68. This means that 68% of the volume is occupied by the atoms and remaining 32% it is vacant, or that is called void space. This is the body centered. In short, number of atoms per unit cell 2, atomic radius root 3 by 4, coordination number is 8, atomic packing fraction is root 3 pi by 8 or 0.68. Third type, face centered cubic structure or cubic crystal system. Now we have to study the characteristics of this FCC, this face centered cubic. It is a non-primitive cell having 6 atoms at the centers of 6 faces and 8 atoms at the 8 corners. 8 atoms at the 8 corners and 6 atoms are at the 6 faces. Many common metals crystallize in the FCC structure. First characteristics, number of atoms per unit cell. The number of atoms contained in one FCC cubic unit cell of monoatomic substance is 4. 8 atoms are present at 8 corners of FCC unit cell. Each atom contributes 1/8 to the unit cell. Total contribution 8 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 1. Same as the SC and BCC. But in addition to that, what 6 atoms present at the centers of 6 faces of FCC unit cell. Each atom contributes 1/2 to the unit cell. Here, contribution of each face centered atom. This atom contribution to this cell is half and contribution to the neighboring cell is half. Means this 6 into 1 by 2, that becomes 3, and 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Hence total number of atoms in FCC unit cell are 4. Next one, coordination number. In a face centered cubic lattice, each corner atom is in contact with the face centered atom. It would be simultaneously touching 4 atoms in the xy plane. Here 4 atoms in the xy plane, 4 atoms in the yz plane, and 4 atoms in the yz plane, and 4 atoms in the xz plane, making up a total 12 atoms. Hence the coordination number for FCC, that is equal to 12. Third characteristics, atomic radius. In a FCC cell, atoms are in contact along the face diagonal of the cube as shown in figure. There are 4 atomic radii along the face diagonal. From the figure, face diagonal is given by this. AC square is equal to what? AB square plus BC square. This 4R, this is 2R, R and R. 4R square is equal to A square plus A square, that is equal to 2A square. 4R equal to A root 2. Hence R is equal to A root 2 by 4. Hence the atomic radius of FCC crystal is R equal to A upon 2 root 2. If you write this 4, 2 into 2, for 2 again write down 2 root 2, 1 root 2 get cancelled, it becomes, that is 2 root 2, A by 2 root 2. That is the atomic radius of FCC. And last characteristics, that is atomic packing fraction or packing density. For the face centered cubic, again the same formula is there. APF, volume of atoms in unit cell, divided by volume of unit cell. Number of atoms per unit cell for FCC equal to 4. Therefore, total volume 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Side of the unit cell is A. Hence, volume of the unit cell is A cube, that is equal to 2 r cube. Substituting these values, we get that atomic packing fraction equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A cube. R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. This substitute here, R equal to A upon 2 root 2. 4 into 4 by 3 pi in bracket A upon 2 root 2 cube, that divided by A cube, and that becomes pi upon 3 root 2, that is equal to 0.74. Hence, the 74% of the volume of FCC unit cell is occupied by the 74% atoms, and the remaining 26% volume of the unit cell is vacant, or it is called void space. This is face centered. In short, it is written number of atoms per unit cell 4, atomic radius is root 2a by 4, coordination number is 12, and atomic packing fraction is 0.74 or 74%. Summary of these characteristics: simple cubic, radius a by 2, atoms per unit cell 1, packing density 52%, and coordination number is 6. For BCC, radius root 3a by 4, atoms per unit cell 2, this is packing density 68%, and 8 is the coordination number. And for FCC, atomic radius root 2a by 4, number of atoms per unit cell is 4, packing density 74%, and coordination number is 12. This is about the SC, FCC and BCC. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe the channel and share the videos and press the bell icon.